Yo, I am Nivairo and this is my brand new track called Means. It's the official follow-up for The Floor is Lava, so let me know what you think of it. Enjoy!
Yo, Domestic here. I'm glad to be on the NCS album with my track Forever. Forever is a melodic future house track with a high energy drop. My goal with this project was to create a catchy song with some fresh sound design. I'm really happy with the final results and I hope you guys enjoy it as well.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
I saw you sing. Finally.
Hey guys, we're Sinner's Heist, and you're listening to our new track called Streetlight People, featuring Harley Bird.
The project started with Harley first sending us an acoustic version of the track, which immediately inspired us, so we started rewriting the instrumental.
Our goal was to potentiate the dark and chilling vibe.